Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out of all the devices on Nunchuk Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Nunchuk Wallet's account from all the devices, firstly go ahead and launch open your Nunchuk Wallet application. The home page of Nunchuk Wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, tap on Account Settings option. You will end up on your account setting page of Nunchuk Wallet's account. Now click on Login Devices. Here you can see Sign Out of All the Devices option at the bottom of the page. Click on it. Confirm logging out of your Nunchuk Wallet's account from all the devices by tapping on Yes. This is how you can log out of your Nunchuk Wallet's account from all the devices quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.